Installation art is a broad term applied to a range of arts practice which involves installation or configuration of objects in a space, where the totality of objects and space comprise an artwork. Installation art is a mode of production and display artwork rather than a movement or style. Installation art can comprise traditional and non-traditional media, such as painting, sculpture, ready-made found objects, drawing, and text. Depending on the number of objects and the nature of the display, installation space can range from cluttered to minimal. The experience for the viewer of installation art is very different from more traditional artwork, such as painting, which usually is viewed from a single reference point. Installation art requires the active engagement of the viewer with the artwork. By entering into the space, the viewer encounters the artwork from multiple points of view, rather than from a single perspective more typically associated with looking at painting. Maybe the installation art can engage many or all of the senses, like touch, sounds, and smell, rather than just the visual or typical sense. Installation art also foregrounds experience and communication over the production of a finished art object. To emphasize, installation art is characterized by the incorporation of a site or space or displays into a work. In some of instances, the site or location of the work is in an string and non-negotiable element of the work. To move the work or recreate it another site would institute the destruction of the existing work and the creation of a new work, which may contravene and the artist's intentions. Many artists who create installation art impose conditions and provide delayed instruction with regard to the installation of the artwork, such as indicating where and how it can be installed, what materials are to be used, and whether it can be reinstalled in the same or any other site. While the site is a central component of installation art, in some instances it may not be particular to the artwork. Therefore, the artwork can be reconfigured or reassembled in another similar site, in spaces in existing state or in a reconfigured state. For example, an installation might be assembled and exhibited in various galleries, spaces within art museum or in a contest outside the museum, which a public space or in a